Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick video on how to do ripped jeans. A pair of scissors, and a pair of tweezers, and a pair of jeans. So I went ahead and cut some holes. The best holes that you want to make are straight across. And whatever the width is of between here and here is how many of the strings you're going to have. And my holes, I actually made them more rounded, but if you make them straight, then you'll have like a perfect rectangle and then a bunch of strings. So I actually made mine more rounded, but that means I'm gonna have less strings. See how I did that? Because I made it rounded, all the opportunity for these strings to come over got missed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one, and then I'll make another cut so you can see it from the beginning. Grab your tweezers and you just start plucking these little strings out. See? It's very satisfying. Okay, so I made another cut. It's not perfectly straight, but it's straight enough. If you really want to make it straight, get a razor blade, and don't do this while you're wearing your jeans. But I feel like it's easier to pluck the jeans when you're wearing them because the fabric is more stretched out. Okay, so then once you wash these and dry them, then all this right here will get nice and soft. But the best way to make that frayed look is just to run your fingers across over and over again until it looks all fuzzy. And just keep picking at it and playing with it. Just whatever you do, like for here, like don't pull any more off of this, and I'm not gonna pull any more off of this either because I really like that look right there. And the more I pull here, the more the string is going to go over there, and it might not be as supported. So I kind of like that look, so I'm just going to leave this how it is. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do this one now. I already made the cuts. They're crooked. I wish I would have made them straighter, but that was the mistake I made. So now I'm just going to pull off these little white pieces that didn't make it because they got this crooked. But as you can see, I just pulled out that one string that was right there where that line is, and so from there I can just keep pulling. There we go. See, and just keep doing that. It's very satisfying. Have you ever seen those pimple popping videos? This is kind of has that satisfying, but it's not gross.
I've never been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's shirt since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from. What's in how we love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free.
Okay, so now I have finished. I can't do any more of this because if I take any more from here, these right here are gonna start coming off and fraying off. So I'm gonna leave this alone, and I kind of like that look anyway. And then these, I've started working on these, on this fraying here. So now you're gonna do the opposite, and you're gonna pull the white strings that are going across